The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. With a transformer rating of 500 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 3-phase 12-470 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 208 Y and 120 Wye-N. The unit has a primary loop feed for daisy chain installations and dead front primary connections. This transformer also features a 5-position tap changer to allow small changes in voltage. The front electrical enclosure carries a NEMA 3R rating. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.